Join me as I dive into the brand new DJI Flip and put it to the ultimate test. Can it really live up to the hype? The DJI Flip is finally here, and it's being touted as the latest innovation in drone technology. As drone enthusiasts, we're always on the lookout for ways to enhance our aerial photography and videography skills, and the DJI Flip promises to do just that. Capturing unique angles and stabilizing footage have always been a challenge for drone enthusiasts. We've all been there. You're flying your drone, trying to get that perfect shot, but the wind is blowing, and your footage is shaky and unusable. Or, you're trying to capture a dramatic reveal, but your drone can't quite get into the right position. It's frustrating, to say the least. And let's be real, who hasn't had to deal with the dreaded jello effect when flying at high speeds or in windy conditions? It's enough to make you want to throw your drone out the window. But what if I told you there's a solution to all these problems? What if I told you that the DJI Flip is specifically designed to address these challenges and take your aerial photography to the next level? We've all heard the rumors. The DJI Flip can capture footage that's silky smooth, even in the most turbulent of conditions. It can flip and spin with ease, giving you shots that were previously impossible to get. But can it really live up to the hype? The DJI Flip is a sleek and sexy piece of machinery, with a durable design that's built to withstand the rigors of flight. Its advanced stabilization system is capable of correcting for even the slightest movements, giving you footage that's rock solid. And with its advanced obstacle avoidance system, you can fly with confidence, knowing that your drone is safe and protected. But what really sets the DJI Flip apart is its ability to capture truly unique angles and shots. With its advanced flipping mechanism, you can capture footage that's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Want to get a shot of your drone flying directly at the camera, flipping backwards and forwards? The DJI Flip can do that. Want to capture a dramatic reveal, with your drone spinning around a subject in midair? The DJI Flip can do that too. One of the most impressive features of the DJI Flip is its ability to capture stunning, high-speed footage. We're talking 4K at 60 FPS, that's silky smooth, folks. And with its advanced electronic image stabilization, you can be sure that your footage will be rock solid, even at high speeds. But don't just take my word for it, let me show you some footage that I've captured with the DJI Flip. This is a shot of me flying at high speed, doing a few flips and spins along the way. As you can see, the footage is buttery smooth, even at 60 FPS. And check out this shot, I'm flying directly at the camera, flipping backwards and forwards, and the stabilization is absolutely faultless. So, what does it all mean? The DJI Flip is a game changer for drone enthusiasts, that's what. It's a tool that can help you take your aerial photography and videography to the next level, and open up new possibilities for creative expression. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you've got any thoughts on the DJI Flip, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you want to see more drone reviews and tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I'll catch you in the next video.